Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open Adobe Illustrator files without Illustrator, so you can access your designs even if you don't have the software. Step 1. Go to the website Photopea at https://www.photopea.com in your web browser. This is a free online tool that works directly in your browser, so you don't need to install anything, and it's great for opening Illustrator files. Step 2. Click on File in the top menu, then select Open and choose your Adobe Illustrator.ai file from your computer. This lets Photopea load your design so you can view all the layers and elements just like in Illustrator. Step 3. Wait for the file to load. Photopea will display your Illustrator design in layers. Seeing the layers is important because it keeps all parts of your artwork organized and editable. Step 4. If needed, you can edit the file using Photopea's tools, similar to Photoshop. You can move objects, change colors, or add text, which is perfect for making quick adjustments without Illustrator. Step 5. To save your work, click File, Export As, and choose a format like PNG, JPG, or SVG to download your file. This allows you to keep a copy of your design in a format that you can use anywhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.